Want to factory reset your Logitech MX Master 4 to its default settings in case it's malfunctioning? Here are two different ways to reset and repair your MX Master 4. The proper way to do a factory reset is through the Logi Connect app. Just open the app, tap on your MX Master 4, go to settings from the left panel, scroll down, and tap on Reset to Default Settings. Press Yes Reset, and your mouse will reset and instantly reconnect itself, so you won't have to go through the hassle to pair it back. But in case you're unable to pair your MX Master 4 in the first place, then to reset its connection without the app, what you need to do is flip the mouse to its back, and then press and hold this pair button until the light starts blinking. Now the connection is reset, and you can go ahead and pair it back to your desired device. And these are the two ways that you can use depending on your situation. Hope this helped. Stay tuned for more.